The GPU is arguably one of the most important parts of any gaming PC, and it's usually the thing that will either hold you back or enable you to get the performance that you want. But the ultimate downside to GPUs is that they can be incredibly expensive, and their performance can be hard to stack up and compare. So if you're looking for a budget GPU in 2019, here are some tips to help you find the best GPUs at the lowest prices. Okay, so there actually is a reason as to why GPUs are so incredibly expensive. In terms of hardware, they are essentially mini computers inside your computer, and they have all the components inside them that make up a basic system. With memory, a processing core, power delivery, and I/O ports, graphics cards are literally separate computing entities that perform a very specialized task. This job is to translate visual information and geometry into on-screen pixels, and in order to do this, GPUs are equipped with anywhere between 16 and over 5,000 processing threads that all perform parallelized algebraic and geometric functions. And this highly specialized and rather beefy processing core is why GPUs are so dang expensive. But not every graphics card is a $250 1660 Ti, which delivers mainstream 1440p performance. There are plenty of cards that you can find for less than $100 and will give you the great performance that you're looking for. The trick to finding these cards is to know where to look. My personal favorite spot to look is eBay. Now, I know that buying secondhand cards can push a lot of people away, and trust me, I was exactly the same. But after having experienced using used GPUs for not only reviews, but also for personal use, I can assure you that it's not a bad option at all. You not only get GPUs for less money, but you also get more performance per dollar. For example, let's say I could either buy a GTX 1060 new for $200, or a GTX 980 used for $120. Both cards perform nearly identically, but the used card is 40% cheaper than the fresh out of the box offering. Me personally, I've bought several GPUs off eBay, and have never once had a problem with a defective or faulty card. But if I did have a problem with any card, eBay's money back policy would have given me my purchase back. While it is possible to get a defective card, at the end of the day, your money is insured by almost all secondhand retailers. So if you do by some chance end up running into some issue, you'd get your money back and you could find another GPU. While I'm not going to be discussing specific GPUs to look out for, as I've already made a video on that topic in the past, what I will say is to look for cards on secondhand sites. eBay, Craigslist, even Amazon are great places to find used GPUs for less money than you'd normally be paying. Just stay smart with what you're looking for, and at the end of the day, you're guaranteed to find at least something that will satisfy you. Looking at older GPUs is also another great way to save some money. People are always upgrading to the next new thing, and as a result, they flood these secondhand retailers with older but still very capable cards. Rather than looking for a 1660 Ti, try checking out the GTX 1070. Or if you're looking for a GTX 1050 Ti, then try to find a GTX 970. These cards might not only perform better, but can actually be found for significantly cheaper. Before you go out and look, do some research on your prospective GPU and performance tier, and look out for some older alternatives to the newer cards. Older Maxwell and GCN GPUs are currently flooding the used market as people upgrade to either Turing, Vega, or newer AMD offerings. And as a result, it's pretty easy to find some excellent performance at a low price. Patience is ultimately the name of the game when it comes to looking for cheaper GPUs. And if you do your research and shop smartly, you can find a great card at a great price. So thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll be notified about all our future uploads. And also tell us, what do you think of used graphics cards? Do you have personal experience, or do you have something to share? Tell us what you think. I can't wait to see what you have to say, and I hope you have a fantastic day. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.